What is up, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about small things to add to your car to give it the you factor or what you want in your car. So the first thing that I'm going to show you is my my valve capsule that I bought, which is, you know, the valve stem cover, which is the Corvette symbol. Now that wasn't the first thing I added to my car. I had my car about 2 weeks. First thing I did was I got my windows tinted, which gave it a whole different look. And also got my radiator covers that you can see. And it's kind of dark in there, but I got radiator covers for both sides. And I have radiator covers coming for the run in the front. I haven't received them yet, but they're on their way. So the next thing that I'm doing the blackout covers for the back, which I have here. I'll show y'all guys in a minute. But I'm gonna black these out in the back. And over here in these cases, not this one, that's for my wife, Telluride, but in this case right here, that is my spoiler for the back. Also got this splitter for the front. But today, we're going to put on the grill, not the grill covers, but the covers for the back. So with that said, let's get into the video. All right, the first thing I'll do, I want to clean it off with some alcohol, get it nice and clean. So this will stick on here. So you just want to clean the outside. I had on my my C7, but I got to make sure this is nice and clean and dry, so I can get a nice seal on here on both sides. Let's take it out. So it has the double-sided tape on the back. So we'll pull this off. There's one piece. So what I do, I get these off and I'll just get back with y'all guys for this video. All right, I got the double-sided tape off. So I'm gonna try to place these bad boys on here. Make sure it's lined up perfectly. Got a good seal on it. Oh yeah, that looks good. Now I just got to do the other side. So we're gonna do the exact same thing on this side. Make sure it's nice. Also, for here, they send me some smaller pieces, so I think they're right over here. So I'm gonna take the piece off the double-sided tape, and once I get this on, I'll show you guys. So this is the final results. Looks pretty good. Blackout look. Both sides.